RainBird ISM-9 Instructions. The RainBird ISM-9 is a timer for an automatic sprinkler system that offers up to 3 different programs with various watering days, up to 4 watering start times, seasonal adjustment feature, battery backup and a limited warranty. The ISM-9 can be purchased online or through select home retail stores or dealers and is fairly simple to program and operate. Prior to setting the timer, decide how many times a week the sprinkler system should be operated and how long it will operate each time. Remove the cover on the battery compartment and insert a new 9-volt battery. Connect the end of the terminal to the battery clip and push the other end of the battery into the compartment. Close the cover. Turn the main dial to set current date/time and use the or equals buttons to set the current year. Push enter and then use the or buttons to set the current month, followed by enter and the current day. Push enter and then use the or buttons to set the time. Push enter and then turn the main dial back to system on. Turn the main dial to pre-programmed schedules to set pre-arranged schedules for the sprinkler system. Use the or arrows to choose the desired program. Program 1 will water each sprinkler station for 5 minutes 3 times a day, 6 a.m., 10 a.m. and 2 p.m. every day. Program 2 waters each station for 10 minutes every other day at 6 a.m. Program 3 waters each station for 10 minutes every third day at 6 a.m. Press enter to confirm and then turn the main dial to system on. Create a specific program by turning the main dial to set watering day cycle and then push or until the desired watering day S appears on the display. 7-day indicates daily sprinkling, EV will water on even numbered days, odd will water on odd numbered days and odd 31 will water on odd numbered days with the exception of the 31st of the month. There are also programs for 2, 3, 4, 5 or 6 day schedules, which will set the schedule for watering every 2 days, every 3 days and so on. Press start to confirm and turn the dial to system on. Turn the dial to select days to water to adjust specific watering days. A row of 7 numbers will appear on the display. 1 corresponds to Monday and 2 is Tuesday and so on. Push or to turn watering on or off for each specific day. If there is watering that day, a box will appear around the number. Press enter to move through each day of the week and press start to confirm. Turn the dial to system on. Adjust the watering times by turning the dial to set watering start time. Use the or buttons to enter in the desired start time for the program. Press enter and move on to the next watering start time if more than one start time is desired. Change the watering time for each sprinkler station by turning the main dial to set station duration and use the or buttons to set the desired watering time for each station, numbered 1, 2 or 3. Press enter to change between each station and turn the dial to system on.